Is the nature of the mind to get disturbed continuously and eventually to get depressed? Is it one of its innate nature, or there's more to it?
It is the nature of the mind that is pursuing selfishness and egoism to experience this frustration and depression in due course of time. It is the nature of the mind that is pursuing the needs of the soul to find peace, compassion, happiness, and ecstatic enlightenment. It is the actual nature of the mind to always be filled with transcendental pleasure. When it is connected to the will of the Atma, the eternal soul. But when we forget our real nature and we pursue the desires of the false ego, under the misconception, I am this body, I am this mind, I am the controller, the proprietor, and the enjoyer, then it is the nature of the mind to come more and more into the implications and complications of material bondage and suffering. So if we want to free our mind, the easiest way is to chant mantra. The word mantra means to deliver the mind from its artificial condition, to bring the mind to its original, natural, pure state. And it is for that reason that the greatest welfare work is to teach people how to purify and cleanse their hearts through chanting God's names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare.
You were listening to Radhanath Swami on devotionalnectar.com.